This video is for adjusting the doors for honey maple cabinets. As you can see right now, the left side, the left door is not level with the right door. So what you want to do is open up the cabinet doors, and from there you will see two adjustable screws. So the first screw, that's to adjust the door to go farther or closer to the cabinet frame. See, once you loosen it up, you can then adjust it to go left or right to the cabinet frame. Now the second screw is for adjusting the cabinet going up and down. Now what's important to note is that when doing the adjustments, make sure that you loosen both screws, the one on top and the one on the bottom. So there, as you can see, there is a small gap where you can do the adjustment, make the adjustment. And once you're happy with the adjustment, hold the door in place and then screw it back on to lock the door. Once it is locked, then you can go ahead and close the cabinet doors and see if everything matches. As you can see here, the left side or the left door is touching the right door, so once again you need to adjust it. So open it up once more, adjust the screw, the first screw, loosen it up on the top and the bottom. Then you can slowly adjust the door towards the left of the frame. Hold it in place once again, tighten the screw, and once done, close it, and you will see that the doors are perfectly aligned.